back here. There's no way out in the barn. Maybe behind the lawnmower. Odie.
Grab that gun.
You want the bigger impact? Odie.
No, we just need the one that's gonna fit this nut. Here we go.
Okay. Well, good luck. All right. Well, thank you.
Oh, I do need the bigger one.
That's what I was gonna say.
Right down there. Right on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. I only need it because the socket is that size. Okay, here.
What?
You gave it to me going the wrong way.
I didn't adjust it.
Logan,
What?
come back.
It slipped out.
No, it was the thing was spinning backwards.
Man with a gun, gotta adjust which way it goes.
You're gonna do that again.
Oh, yeah. There was a gun was on reverse, so Dad pulled it out. All right, repress it. Up. Almost. That's up.
Is it cross-threaded?
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Is it cross-threaded?
Yeah.
I think it's just how it's sitting on it. Why is it going like that?
Every time you pick it up, it doesn't go in the right way. There it goes.
Oh, alrighty.
All right, thanks. We needed 2 extra hands.
Thank you.
Right on time, dude.
I'm pretty much just going until it looks like that one.
I think you might be actually pinching the thing,
Fixing what?
the whole
That's okay.
tank. Okay. I mean, yeah, it looks good now. Does the bushing go all the way around now?
Goes far enough.
Sweet. A little more. That's good. That looks right.
That's in there
That ain't coming out.
for the rest of all time.
Yeah, because we didn't know the tension that was on it before, because we didn't undo one of these.
Right.
So who knows? If we tried to take this thing off, it'd probably spring out and fucking get somebody. So,
Probably would.
all right, now we can just mount it. I believe it used. It's got these bolts. I think the bolts used this one. Yep. I'll take the big gun.
Should be over there.
Oh, I got the little gun.
It's right here.
Ah.
Let me move this around. We ain't got one of them fancy garages where everything's all on the right spots.
And we're the lift. Missing one more nut. Or one more bolt.
It's right here.
Alright, so I got. Because it goes on here and here. Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah, there's nothing in the way on this side.
Alright.
At least mostly nothing in the way.
Need me to help you move it onto the jack, or?
Yeah, no, I'll get it. You stay right there. Well, what we gotta do is get these, get the lines all done first.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Let me see, I'll stick these things right down in here. So we're missing one middle one. We got the big one and the other one, but we're missing one little one. This is the other piece for that. Throw that in there.
Do we, so these things we're gonna use on?
One of them.
Okay. Just one.
For the middle size one.
Oh, maybe. Need me to help move it or no?
No, there's hardly anything in it. At least.
That one was the one with liquid.
Yeah, it's got gasoline in it. Just a little bit though. Not a whole bunch.
That should work. Try to hold it straight.
Nail on here. So I'm not nailed on little pieces of shards of metal.
Pretty much. Alright.
So we'll need those cutters. Let me see if I think I'm gonna be right in the way. Let's see if I can't move this.
There's there. Is it recording or no?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So the first thing we'll do is we'll get the hoses on that in there.
Don't want to push the tank in so it's closer.
No, not yet.
Oh, you're just gonna kind of guess the length?
No, we're gonna stick them on. So the big fat ones on the end.
Oh, that's right.
And then we'll cut them all at once. Oh, we need to do this. Where's those pliers? Down there.
Yeah, just get that ring on first. The clamp. Because that way you don't have to feed it the whole way like that, the first one.
Right. I learned my lesson. Actually, what I'll do is I'll put it on the side. Just put it on like this.
So you can get it. There we go.
Here, get that on there. There was another pair of pliers right over there. Can you hand me those? Yep. That way you can work on that one. Now the next one's the next smaller one. We're trying to cut as least off of this stuff because I need a few more lines for up front. These things are $8 for each piece. Not that that's a lot in the grand scheme of things, but it ain't cheap. I'll get our ground strap ready.
Right about there is good. Go back a little more. That should be good.
Got that one on there.
Yep.
And this one.
You got the...
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh. There we go.
There's that one. You know, it's cold out, but we're in the sun. Now I'm hot because I'm in the sun. I'm a whiner.
Any exposure to the sunlight, it's like burning hot, but if you stand in the shade, it's freezing.
Right.
All right. A little bit more.
Oh, no, that's I guess.
There you go. Just where it covers up where it used to.
Yep. I gotta take off this black sweatshirt. Oh my gosh. roasting. Now I'm gonna be freezing.
It's the only way it can go.
No way.
I'm wearing my Ford shirt because I ain't even got a Ford. Well, actually, I do. It's a Mustang right around the corner. But that's Brenna's for the most part.
All right, all three on.
Okay.
Good on this end. I get to hold them over here.
Yeah, just hold them up out of the way. And we'll set that up for failure.
I'll try to hold it. Push in.
Catching on something.
Yep. There you go. This is the brake line.
Oh, I was wondering, why is it still calling?
Right.
Slide it back on the jack a little bit. Because it's, is there something that's hit on?
Yep. It's on this back here. A little more. Oh, there we go. There we go.
That's close.
That's perfect. All right.
Okay, so
I can hold it steady while you
yeah,
cut
just
them.
hold it down like
Yeah.
this.
I'll just hold it stable like this.
You gotta hold it down like this.
I will. I just had to get the weight adjusted properly.
Not smack you in the head with this.
Maybe a little. Well, no, that's probably fine. Yeah, because it'll squeeze in. Alrighty.
We're getting there.
If only we had more of those ones, one more.
Yeah, it wasn't on the thing when we got it though.
Is it going?
It is and it isn't.
Oh, crap.
There it goes.
Alrighty.
I know nobody can see anything,
Shit.
so what we're gonna do is put this right here. Bring it down, tilt it down. That's what we're doing, is putting on those lines. And they suck.
All for tank 2.
Now the middle one, we're gonna be using this clamp.
Oh, I don't have a nut for. We have just a screwdriver.
Yep.
Just got one for you here.
Hang on. Gotta wiggle that damn hose till it gets there.
Well, at least there's only one to do this too.
Yeah. And we already previously blew out all the lines all the way to the front with air to make sure that we weren't going to be messing stuff up minute one.
Pretty much. They're all clean as far as we know.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I think it's on all the way.
It is now. It was just
Just an inch.
a tad off.
There you go.
You got to stick the pliers back here behind the truck
Okay.
and then coax it with your wrong hand into place. Or backwards like I'm going to do right now.
This brake line is hanging low.
Yeah, the cable, because it's all jacked up. All right, there we go. We got all three of them on there. We can get this.
You dropped one of your phones.
Huh?
Something fell.
No, it's this.
Ah, okay.
This is the pliers. I got the other piece for that, which we can do from here once it's up.
All right. Okay. All right, I got the bolts and the gun ready.
I'm going to kind of lean down on this.
You're going to have to...
Oh, I'm not the one screwing it in. You are.
Yeah. That's what I was wondering what you get on the ground for. I'm like, I've got the gun over here and I'm on the inside. So you're going to have to hold it steady while it lines up. You guys steady?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. I'm going to start with one in the back, then I'm going to come up with one in the front.
All right. You let me know.
Roll up my boards on my bolts. Back. Alright. Up, down a little bit. Over on this side. More. A lot more. More. Now come forward. Rising towards you. Alright, now let me get under.
You should be able to look right through the frame because that's where the bolts go.
That's what I'm trying, but all right, we might be close actually. So let's scooch this way.
Just get
We're close.
that middle bolt has to go through the hole that's up top somewhere.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's way low.
Way low, not on my end. I can barely see them.
Yeah, that's the bottom one. There. That one's better. It's in the top one. The very front.
Oh, right up here?
No, go for the front. That's the front.
All
The
right.
front bolt on this tank.
All right.
It should be close to lined up.
Nope.
Sure
Yeah.
it is.
Not for me. It's off. Because here's the hole, here's the edge. You're going to have to come towards you a tiny bit. Okay, we're getting close. All right, that should be good. That actually should be good. They can't reach, though, because it's too far away.
Do the other one. That's the back ones. You do the front ones. Because the tank's sitting at an angle right now.
I'm trying to feel for it through the thing, but I can't.
Just look through from the side.
Well, that's what I've been doing, but oh, okay, we're good. We might actually be close. There we go.
It's at a slight angle, so.
I gotta grab. All right.
Go nice and easy.
Yep. I think it's in.
We just need to get one hooked up. You got the one?
Yep, that one's in. I'll need a wrench for it because the angle that this thing's
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to come this way.
to the front or to the back. Yeah, there we go. Now we're lining up. Is it bad in it? Maybe he'll push that way more.
We might be slightly off on our tank alignment.
Probably. Want me to take this bolt out?
Nope. Hang on.
Yeah, because now you're moving the bolt over here.
Yeah, well, that's the one's holding it in. Loosen this.
Yeah. To go more.
Hang on. See if you can go through that hole right there.
Yep. Gonna need the extension though. There we go.
Yep, loosen it.
Not there?
More. Okay, stop. Where are we at with, oh, come off more.
Come off more.
Okay, right there.
We sure? Oh, we're off on the brackets alignment on. Okay.
Right. Okay, so this one now is, this one right here is lined up.
Yep. I'm going in.
No, don't tighten that yet.
Okay.
We'll do that with a. Okay, and then get the bottom one in a little bit. We just wanted to get them in and started.
So that way they're holding.
Yeah. See what you can do over here. This one's still a little bent, but
Should go. It's been pretty bad.
there we go.
Got a little grab. We're about like teensy bit. Alright, I could probably drive it the rest of the time.
Well, don't drive it. Grab the wrench and just turn it in a little bit.
What size?
We're gonna get them all all in before we tighten them down.
I need one size up. This. Oh, yep, it's definitely grabbed. Oh, now it's out. Still ain't grabbing. Up. Nope. Keeps losing it just there.
Okay, so put the extension on the wrench and see if you can't get it. You need to get by that, to get to that bolt.
You want me to do it with this or no?
You can try, just give it a few spins. In the on, that might be in the off.
It's on the on.
Okay. Okay, a few more. It's gotta go that way.
It is.
Okay. Well, it's actually engaged.
It
See if
is?
you can't get the bottom one.
One might be easier actually. Yep. Bottom one's going.
Okay. So now let's get the bolts in the front.
All right. Oh, this one popped out back here.
Yeah, I thought it did.
Problem is now is we're misaligned back here.
That's okay, we're gonna move it. Which way do we need to go?
Towards the back and up a hair.
So,
Up, that should be good. Won't grab over here towards the back a little more. Oh, that's Perfect. Just down a hair. A little more.
That was like,
There we go.
that was like a chicken bone, that's not a hair.
And then towards the back. About like a, oh, almost. That actually might be it. A little bit more.
Well, we ain't got any room because the tank's being held.
Yeah, it means the screws are going to kind of go in at an angle, or they're not going to grab. Yeah, because I just, there we go. That might have gone too far.
You can go back the other way.
Yeah, a little bit back the other way, like a tap. One more tap. We're in.
Get all 4 of them started.
Yep, that one started.
What a shitty way to mount tanks.
That one started. This ain't, I mean, it's easy, I guess. But imagine doing this alone.
Unless it lined up like the other one, you ain't doing this alone.
Pretty much.
The other side was great.
Oh, yeah.
Went right in. Of course, it wasn't all bent up either, so.
True. I got that on. I'm going to have to retry this one. It's all about feel. Gotta make sure it's
And of course, if we had a lift.
Well, that would mean it'd be no problem at all.
Right.
That'd be easy as shit. Problem is, I don't know if they're cross-threading.
If you can get it by hand, they're not cross-threading. You just need them to start a little bit. Do you need to go which way or another?
This top one doesn't want to go. Problem is seeing where. Up a hair for this top one. Still ain't enough for some reason. It's like, oh, and that'll be it. It's going in like one thread, then it's getting tough.
Okay, so get in one thread and use that.
Oh, okay.
And just barely, just kind of roll it in. Because you just make sure that gun's straight. Yep. with the bolt.
Straighten it. There we go.
Okay, so you got all 4 of them?
The other 4, or the other 2 I'm going to get in now, they are the 3. They are just hand tight.
No, I'm talking about you got all 4 of them in.
Yeah, they're all on.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can tighten them up.
Yep.
Yeah, you can tighten, well, I was going to say, get them about halfway in. And then we're going to tighten these ones and then do those.
Alright. They're all about halfway.
Okay, so let's start with this one here.
Okay, so use extension.
Is there any way to get this
Nope.
in there?
Nope. That could be good.
You might be able to get that on there.
Yeah, from right there. Alright.
All right, go ahead and bring it in. Keep going.
There we go.
Yep. Keep going. That's good. Now get the bottom one. Okay, then these 2.
Might be making those ones loose now.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it is.
Oh God.
So tighten this one all the way up.
Tell me what?
Good. That's good. And get the bottom one, this one, then this one.
There?
Yep.
So good?
Yep, that's good. That's good.
Alright.
I did the same to those other 4.
Ooh. Oh yeah, they're way out now.
Yeah, because the tape moved.
Question is, I don't know if they're all the way yet. It feels flat. I'm just gonna tighten up the top one a little more. And that one's going on anymore. Making sure it's tight. And the last one that I can't get anymore. There we go. All right.
All good?
I think so. If you want to come under and make sure.
No, I'm fine. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to tighten this bolt right here.
Let me. Hard to see the set. Oh yeah, it's flush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There ain't got no choice but to be flush.
Well, I was making sure the plate was flush.
So now we're going to stick the bigger this one
Oh yeah, back through.
through here and tighten this back up.
All right. All right. Got that?
Keep going. All right.
Oh, good. Because that's got tension on it. Feel good? Like it ain't gonna come off?
We're good.
Awesome. We did it. Whew. Oh, here's these.
Let me get the crimpers and stuff so we can crimp this ground strap on.
Oh, I thought we were gonna clean some of this up. There is tools everywhere.
We'll get that in a minute.
On and
Go ahead and get that ready. I already did the one side. Now this.
oh, yep.
Okay, pink, very first one. All right, and then Yoda.
Because this just works.
That's probably the best wire crimper that I've ever had, and I bought it for the boat.
It's gotten plenty of use.
I use it for everything. And the boat pieces. Okay, go ahead and... Hang on, I can't see.
Oh yeah.
Need
The light.
the light to figure out. There it is. Alright.
Yeah, your finger's pushing me towards this way.
No, it didn't go all the way down.
Oh. I think I might be too crimped.
No. Let me see this. Why the hell wouldn't that crimp? There it goes.
Huh.
It just didn't, I don't know why it wouldn't have gone, because I've never seen that happen.
That's very strange.
Okay, so I'm going to,
Oh yeah, this one has gasoline in it. That's right.
yes, we're going to clog up the escape valves here.
For any fumes.
We're going to be firing fuel for a minute, but I thank Tony and Vic for this gun because they bought it. And I've used it a bunch, and I'm finally getting pretty good at it.
Better than we were the first time.
Yep.
All right, so our ground's in. Where does it connect exactly? Right here?
It's bolted. Yeah, it gets bolted right over here somewhere.
Ooh,
This one,
probably on that.
this one is not the right bolt for that, I don't think, or maybe it is. Oh, it is, but I left it off for this.
I think that's where it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
We're parallel.
So we're doing this.
We'll bet that's a half-inch.
Is that one of these bolts here? Because you're gonna need this. Nope. Oh, we have the small gun with the half-inch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, half-inch.
You put this on there so you're not
Yeah.
right next to this. Let me get a little bit of PB Blaster or some oil here.
Kind of help it down. Oh, WD.
Just a little bit of oil.
Ready?
That's good.
There we go.
Back it off. This thing needs to be over. Okay, now do it. Okay. All right, that should work.
Perfect.
We got everything put back together. We got 2 tanks that are good. Hopefully it's still running. It is. All right, gas tanks are bolted in, wired, hosed, everything. So we're pretty happy with that.